Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M12 and let me share with you how to reset settings on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and now we have to scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on General Management. Now let's tap on Reset and at the very first position we've got Reset Settings option which we are looking for. So simply tap on it and here we've got the info that it will reset all settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data and settings for downloaded apps. So for example, it will reset the screen timeout. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset Settings. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then enter it to confirm. And right now we've got the info that all settings will be reset to their defaults and cannot be recovered. To apply the new settings, your phone will restart. So let's tap on reset and right now we have to wait. Okay, and since our device is restarted, it means that we successfully reset all settings. So actually that's all. This is how to reset settings in your Samsung Galaxy M12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.